Hey everyone, Matt here with HVAC.com to give you an overview of the Lennox Healthy Climate X0585 furnace filter. This is the replacement filter for the HCC 14-23 media cabinet. It measures 20 by 20 by 5. The Lennox Healthy Climate X0585 is a MERV 11 filter, which means it captures 85% of particles down to 3 microns. This includes pollen, dust mites, mold spores, pet dander, dust, some smog, and more. This filter should be replaced every 6 months, depending on the quality of the air within your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on HVAC.com.